Okay, hi everyone, this is Mermaids Creative channel and it's me Avni and this is my little brother
Darsh Gupta.
And today we're going to make a bat out of waste material and the supplies we need are the tissue paper roll, a glue stick, a blue marker, one pair of scissors, one pair of googly eyes, and black construction paper. Okay, so let's get started, but before we get started, remember to watch the video till the end, subscribe and like the video. Okay, now we can get started. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to take the tissue paper roll and we're going to roll it. First we're going to glue it. Okay, so we're going to roll it, cut it, and glue it. Okay, so we're just gluing it a little. Okay, and then hold it tight. Okay, there.
Oh my.
We got it. Oh, and now we're going to glue the glue guys. So we're going to take this. We're going to glue it.
Now I need to glue.
So now make the mouth. After you're done with the gluing part, we are going to make the mouth. Okay, so I did this. Okay, and I'm going to make the mouth again.
Done.
Like that. Okay, so now we are going to make the wings for the bat. So now we are going to fold the paper in half like this, and we are going to just try to make it kind of like that. And there, okay. Now we're going to make the wings. Just make like a zigzag, kind of. Okay, so here we got the two wing parts. Okay, so now we're going to glue on the wings. So we're going to open the glue and we are going to open it up. Oops. Okay, so now we are going to take this, put a little bit of glue on the side, like this, and we are going to glue it on like this. So there, you might need to press it so it gets glued on really securely. Okay, then do the same with the other wing. Take it, put a little bit of glue on the side.
Blah.
Take this.
I put it long.
Okay, and we are going to do
I'm gonna put
this.
my wings right over
We
there.
say like kind of, and you got your bat done.
My bed is not done right now. I need to.
So here's my bat, and you can do more designs and make faces, other kinds. Like you can make a face that is sticking out, like a tongue that is sticking out, or you can make like a sad face or anything.
Here's my bat. Look, I made a funny face, a tongue face. That's it. Bye.
See you in our next video.
Bye.